Hi, my name's Scott Anderson. I'm the Manager of Civil and Services at Campbelltown City Council. I'd like to talk to you today about our truck that we use for weed spraying and road verge maintenance. We purchased this truck a few years ago. We were dealing with Josh from Rapid Spray. It's a multi-purpose vehicle. We've fitted this particular truck out with a number of options and things to suit our LGA. It was very easy to deal with Rapid Spray through the process. All the options and things, they accommodated some particular items that we wanted, particularly around safety and user-friendly. The need for the vehicle came about because we never had an automated system like this before. We used to have to mix all of the chemicals here on site into spray bottles, and then the guys would go out individually and spray road verges by hand. So obviously this truck implemented a whole lot of new technology that allows it to be done a lot faster and more efficient, which is what we need for our ratepayers.
G'day, I'm Dave from Campbelltown Council. I'm the spray truck operator here. We're responsible for weed control for traffic islands, road verges, park areas and that type of thing. Campbelltown Council takes safety very seriously out here, and this SafeSpray system allows us to keep our fellas off the roads, and also the SafeSpray system allows us to operate the machine from inside the cab. Previously, we had to come back to the depot to mix our chemicals. With this safe load system that we've got now, we can mix our chemicals anywhere, anytime, and it also reduces the amount of handling we've got on the chemicals, and also our manual handling is reduced. This new rapid spray system that we've got here is very easy to work with. It's a simple system, and there's a bit of interest around the depot too about getting another one. So it's just a simple system. We're not on the road, and just simple to use.